Good morning, students. We are discussing about the cell, the unit of life. In the last class, we have discussed about the nucleus. As you know, that nucleus is the brain of the cell. Nucleus consists of different parts like nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, chromosome, nucleolus, etc. Now see the details. Nuclear membrane surrounds nucleus made up of two layers. Opening allow material to enter and leave nucleus, that is nuclear pore. Chromosomes, it is made up of DNA and present in nucleus. It is responsible for the inheritance of characters from one generation to other. Cell organelles, organ of the cell known as cell organelles. There are two types, membrane bound and non-membrane bound cell organelles. Membrane bound cell organelles are single membrane, double membrane. Single membrane cell organelles are endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, lysosomes, vacuoles, cilia, flagella, microbodies. Double membrane, mitochondria, plastids, nucleus. Non-membrane bound structure, ribosomes and centrioles. Mitochondria, they are rod-shaped spherical structures, double membrane structure, outer membrane smooth and inner membrane forms a number of infoldings called cristae. The inner compartment is called matrix. The cristae increase the surface area, responsible for cellular respiration and produces energy for different activities. So it is called powerhouse of the cell. Controls level of water and other materials in cell, recycles and decomposes proteins, fats and carbohydrates. Matrix possesses single circular DNA molecule, a few RNA molecules, ribosomes of 70S type. That is why it is known as semi-autonomous unit. It divides by binary fission. Mitochondria consist of outer membrane, inner membrane. Outer membrane forms continuous limiting boundary of the mitochondria. Inner membrane forms a number of infoldings called cristae. Between that two membrane, mitochondrial lumen is present that divides into two compartments, outer compartment, inner compartment. Outer compartment, perimitochondrial space, that is inner membrane space, and inner compartment that consists matrix. See the structure of mitochondria, outer membrane, inner membrane, that green color part, that is matrix. Between the two membrane, that is the intermembrane space, and that finger like projection, that is crista. Plastids are the large organelles and characteristics of plant cell. Chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast are three types of plastids depending on pigment content. Chloroplast, green color plastic, contains chlorophyll, double stranded DNA and 70S ribosome. Chromoplast, carotene, fat soluble carotene give color to plant parts, xanthophylls, yellow, red, orange. Leucoplast, that store starch, that is amyloplast. Euplast, oil and fats. Eleuroplast, that store proteins. Function, site of photosynthesis and imparts color to fruits and flowers. See the different types of plastids: Etioplast, crystalline, prolaminar bodies, precursor of chlorophyll, chromoplast, pigments, synthesis and storage, chloroplast, photosynthesis, lipid synthesis, leucoplast, synthesis of fatty acids and amino acids, amyloplast, storage of starch and sugars, ureoplast, storage of lipids and oils, proteinoplast, sites of enzyme activity. Chloroplast having two parts, grana and stoma. Grana, that is a stake of thylakoids. Thylakoids are flattened membranous sacs enclosing lumen, contains chlorophyll. Stoma, that is limited by inner membrane, contains enzymes for the synthesis of carbohydrates or proteins. Endoplasmic reticulum, it is a network of membranes. It provides a skeletal framework to the cell, moves materials around in cell. Endoplasmic reticulum divides the intracellular space into two distinct compartments, luminal inside endoplasmic reticulum and extraluminal cytoplasm. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes attached to outer surface, function involved in protein synthesis and secretion. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum SER lacks ribosomes, function site for synthesis of lipid. Endoplasmic reticulum is of two types, SER and rough RER. Absence of ribosome, they appear smooth, major site of synthesis of lipid. In animals cells, lipid like steroidal hormones are synthesized in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough bears ribosomes on the surface of proteins, on their surface, on the site of protein synthesis, involved in protein synthesis and secretion, are extensive and continuous with the outer plasma membrane. See the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. One end is attached with the nucleus, another end is attached with the plasma membrane. Ribosomes composed of RNA and protein without membrane. Eukaryotic ribosomes are of ATS type, that is 60 plus 40 units. S is the Swedenborg unit. Prokaryotic ribosomes is of 70S type, the units are 50 plus 30. Function site of protein synthesis, present in the cytoplasm and floats throughout the cell. Prokaryotic ribosomes is of 70S subunits, 50S and 30S, and eukaryotic 80S subunits are 60S and 40S. Golgi complex, sac-like structure stacked one above the other, store the materials produced by cell, so they call storehouse of the cell. First observed by Camillo Golgi in the year 1898, consists of cisternae stacked parallel to each other. Two faces of the organelles are convex, that is cis or forming face, and concave trans, that is a maturing face. Functions: performs packaging of materials to be delivered either to the intracellular targets or secreted outside the cell. Important site of formation of glycoproteins and glycolipids. See the structure of Golgi apparatus, cis phase and trans phase. Secretory vesicles, incoming transport vesicles, lumen, cisternae, and newly forming vesicles. Lysosomes, that is a membrane bound vesicular structure formed by the process of packaging in the Golgi apparatus, contains hydrolysis enzymes, lipase, protease, carbohydrates, which are active in acidic pH, also called suicidal bag. Function: intracellular digestion. Structure of lysosomes. Vacuoles, membrane bound space found in the cytoplasm, membrane known as tonoplast. It contains water, sap, excretory products and other materials not useful for the cell. In plant cell, the vacuoles are very large. In plants, the tonoplast facilitates the transport of number of ions and other materials against concentration gradient into the vacuole. In amoeba, the contractile vacuole is important for excretion. In many cells, food vacuoles are formed by engulfing the food particles. Cilia and flagella. They are hair-like outgrowth of the cell membrane responsible for locomotion and movement of cell. Cilia are small structure which work like oars causing the movement of either the cell or surrounding fluid. Flagella are comparatively longer. Eukaryotic cilium and flagellum are covered with plasma membrane. Their core, called the axonemes, possesses a number of microtubules running parallel to the long axis. The axonemes usually has 9 pairs of doublets of radially arranged peripheral microtubules and a pair of centrally located microtubules, that is 9 plus 2 arrangement. Both the cilium and flagellum emerges from centriole like a structure called basal bodies. See the structure of cilia and flagellum, the arrangement of the microtubules 9 plus 2 arrangement. Radial spokes, centriole, central microtubule, interdoublet bridge, peripheral microtubules, plasma membrane and central sheath. The structure of a paramecium. See the cilia are arranged in a row, contractile vacuoles, in paramecium cilia helps in locomotion. In the case of Euglena, flagella is there which helps in the movement.